Sir, quick question. What are those wheels for? Those coils are for the last act?
Did you interview?
Yeah, I'm interviewing right now.
Alright, I'll get a picture of you guys. Which act are you?
Is it true you guys were part of that thing?
No.
Do you guys plan to take part in that trampoline, in that ramp thing soon? So what are you going to be performing as?
You guys out here?
What was that?
We're about to do a little warm up.
All right. What are you doing with that thing? What are you doing with that thing?
This I need to change it because I need to grab during my act.
So you need to have a firm grip, huh?
I have it with a new one.
Wow, incredible. May I? Dirt bike. Whoa! Ow! Ah! Banged my skull. Ha! So this is I'm inside the cage. This is where this is where they do the stunts. Take my picture. Oh! Sorry. It's sorry.
Yes.
Unicycles, huh? No, it's okay.